What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. And this video I'm going to talk about how to fix Dead Island 2 is crashing at desktop and how we can fix this. You can try the steps for both on Steam as well as on the Epic Games. So the first and foremost step is all about we need to change the virtual memory. So first one, just go over here to go to the settings. Now from here navigate to system. Now from here scroll down and click on about. So from here you will be understood what is your system configuration. So in my case I'm having an 8GB of RAM with 64-bit operating x64 based processor. Now my RAM is 8GB. So what I need to do is just go over here, search for view advanced system setting, just click on this one, go to the advanced tab, settings once again, advanced once again, and go for change. Uncheck this and select the local disk where the game is installed. So in my case it is D. Now I have to go for custom size. We need to give the value for initial size and the maximum size. So initial size should be calculated based on your RAM. So first of all, type your RAM. So in my case, I'm having an 8GB of RAM. Then I should multiply it with a constant value that is 1024, same for everyone. So now I got this value and I have to multiply with 1.5 because I need the value for initial size. So copy this value and I have to paste it. Next one, for the maximum size, 8GB multiplied with 1024 and I have to multiply with 3, that is 24576. Copy this and I have to paste the same value. Then I have to close everything over here and I have to go back and check with the game. Still, if I'm having the error, then I need to move to the next one. That is all about I need to change the power plan or create a power plan. So just go over here, search for power plan like this and you have to click on edit a power plan. Now from here click on power options, and right now what we need to do is just click over here. From here create a power plan should be selected, and right now I'm going to create my custom power plan. Go for next and go for create. And right now in order to change this one, what I need to do is I should set this to my custom plan, not on balanced or high performance. Keep this on my custom plan. And once you set the my custom plan, and you have to go back with the game and check whether you are able to fix the issue or not. Next one is all about we need to try giving the commands in the launch option. So just go over here in the game, right click and go to the properties. Now from here, once you get into the properties, now go over here in the launch option, try giving the first command dx11. After giving the command dx11, close this and go back to the game and try launching it, and you have to check. So these are the steps, and I hope this video is helpful. That's it. Bye bye.